On my way now to get my motorcycle. Boom. Good morning. On my way now to get my motorcycle. Pretty anxious and excited at the same time. This will be the first time that I'm gonna buy a motorcycle. The bike I plan to get is just something that I can use around the city, going only on short distances. Nothing really that big for the expressway, but budget of a scooter. So scooter budget only. Maybe about 80 to 100k. Just going short trips by. Maybe going to my daughter asked me to buy food from McDonald's or buy milk tea. And maybe for me, just going to the hardware store. And from time to time, maybe go around nearby provinces like Cavite, Laguna, Batangas, bring it to the office. BGC. I have decided to go with Rusi. So I'm planning to get a Rusi Sigma. It's a 250cc sport bike. So what really got me is the really sporty design. And me being 6 foot, so the size is just right. So yeah, I'm on my way now to Rusi in Sukat to go try to get the bike today. I'll see you there. I'm now in Rusi, Paranaque. You see? Let's see. Sabot-sabot lang. So I plan to get the Sigma. Sigma is like this. But I plan to get the white one. So we're heading right now to another branch that has the stock, the color white. It's in Bikutan. So we'll see you there. Okay, update. We're now in Rusi, Bikutan, Lower Bikutan. And here she is. Today and have fun. Update, just got the bike from Rusi Bikutan and now I'm on my way home. Taas ng idling, pero I love it. I've ridden a bike before. It's a automatic Honda Trendy back in the 80s, and I've also ridden a Kawasaki Eliminator 150cc manual, and yeah, it's just like muscle memory. And yeah, getting to love this bike. So on my way home, or maybe have the tires changed at Takara. So let's go. The riding position is just right. I'm not really tired of it because I've done a little bit of road biking, or I've ridden a road bike in long distances, maybe for about 3 or 4 hours. And yeah, the riding position is not that bad. It's just right. It's okay. Hindi nakakangawit. Okay, now going into the speedway.
see how this baby goes. So break-in period muna up to 80k. I can only shift at 5,000 RPMs. That's the max. Fourth gear, 40 kilometers per hour, 5,000 RPM, 55 kilometers per hour. Sixth gear, 60. Woo! 60 kilometers per hour, parang 100. Woo! Saya. Okay. 5,000 RPM at 60. Ano? 5,000 RPMs at 6 gear will give you around 70 kilometers to an hour. Not bad. Bilis na rin. Sulit. Sulit, man. For 80k. Not bad. Suspension's okay. Ride's okay. Shift. One concern ko lang so far, at least after riding it for a few minutes, ang tigas ng clutch, man. I have to fix that. Good thing may mga remedy like hydraulic clutch. On your left is looking at the bay, on your right is lower bigutan. Shout out Rusi, shout out Rusi Paranaque, shout out Rusi Bigutan. Nice bikes you have. Panalo. Oh, break in period. Ito na, matinting labanan. Traffic. You see my reflection on that van. Pogi, di ba? Okay, I'll follow you, bro. Dulas yan. Don't hit the car, don't hit the car. Mahal yan. Init. Hindi ako pwede sa EDSA nito. But overall, nice stance. I can flat foot this bike. Hindi siya nakakangawit. Yeah, position wise, okay lang. Carry lang. You get used to the gearing for after a while. Hindi man siya nakakalito. And you'll easily know when to shift just by the sound of the engine, your speed. Easy. Next step, new tires, because brand new tires from China bike. Sabi na matigas or madulas. May siyang plastic, so yeah, when it rains, definitely it will be very slippery. Can't wait to bring this bike to the office. I think I can ride this every day. Depende on how stressed you are. Pampatanggal stress din. So tires, the first upgrade. Oh, tigas talaga ng clutch. Surprisingly, the heat is not that bad. Oh, I'll know na lang later. Probably pag when I get home. Pag sumilong na ako under a shade, or when I see how badly sunburned I am. Oh, tigas talaga ng clutch. Brakes are fine. Lakas naman. Oh, shell. Wait. Yes. Thank you. There you go. Hindi na nakatakot. I have 2 bars of fuel. Really like this bike. I wonder if I can handle already the big bikes. 400cc, 650cc. Because riding this one is really not that bad. It's very light. Doesn't feel very heavy. Maybe tama nga yung sinasabi ng iba. I should have gone for a expressway bike. But yeah, still happy with my decision. I don't really think I need an expressway bike as of now. It's easy to find neutral, easy to balance also. Hindi naman siya wiggly. Tigas lang talaga ng clutch. I really need gear. I need gloves. I need a jacket. I need pants. They say that malakas ang vibration that ng Rusi or single cylinder. I don't really feel it. Parang yung, to me the vibration is normal. Seems like it. Or there's really nothing to compare it to. I haven't ridden a 2-cylinder bike yet. Maybe if I ride on one, I can compare. Lalaki forearm muscles ko rito. This way is a shortcut to Sukat. Nice area, lots of shade. The heat being generated by this thing is not so bad, not that hot. Other than the clutch, this bike's fine. Check out the Sigma Moto Elites club in Facebook. It's a group of Rusi Sigma Gamma owners, and that's where they trade info, tips, maintenance, upgrade tips, you know, discuss about issues of the bike, ride schedules, and a lot of helpful people out there. They even have like a rescue squad, so when some of the Sigma owners that get stranded somewhere with experiencing problems with their bike, they actually lend a helping hand. They will go to you or whoever is in the area. They'll try to meet you and fix your bike. You just need to message them, tell them what the issue is, what's the problem, and where your location is. And yeah, and immediately they will rescue you. Now we're approaching Sukat. The main difference between riding a bike and driving a car is that you get to smell the lechon manok. Now in Sukat, I got this like a keychain when I bought the memory card of the SJ7. Ayun, doon ko na nararamdaman ng vibration beyond 5,000 RPM. Hopefully when I have the engine brackets installed, mararamdaman yung vibration or hindi ganun kalakas. What also inspired me to buy this bike is shout out to Joseph, my life in Manila, and Breezy Rider, and Rusty Rider, and I don't know who else. Yeah, I think Batang Kalya also uses, Batang Kalya Moto Vlogs also uses a Rusi, and I think one time KP22 also uses a Rusi. Yeah, shout out to you guys. You're one of the reasons why I chose this bike. Can't wait to bring this on long rides. I'm really gonna go to Kabyang Tunnel. Maybe we'll do a Cavite, Tagaytay loop, Dasmariñas loop, and sometime bring it to Marilake. Banking, Marilake. Sunburn. Kakakuha lang, wala sticker, homeowner. Thank you. Okay. Ang tanong, paano ko siya ipapasok? Ano ba ganito? Yeah, better.